Good morning, guys. My name is Sahil Gautam, and welcome to the Property Yatra. So basically, guys, I have started a YouTube channel and an Instagram page. So basically, on this page, I would be talking about the real estate and investment opportunities for you all. So basically, just expressway पे मैं खड़ा हूँ दोस्तों. That is the most famous world-class infrastructure वाला द्वारका expressway. And on my right side, guys, you can see the connectivity towards Dhola Kua and IGI Airport, which is just 10 minutes away from here. And on my left side, you can see Yashobhumi Convention Center that had been in the news from the past some couple of years. And on this right side of my hand is the M3M 113 sector Gurgaon, M3M capital, जैसे कि आप सब देख सकते हैं. द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे से डायरेक्ट कनेक्टिविटी अब यूईआर 2 की हो चुकी है. दैट हैज ऑलरेडी बीन ओपन्ड. मैं आप सबको ये बताना चाहता हूँ. सो रियल एस्टेट प्राइसेस in the commercial and residential sector has already seen an appreciation of 15 to 20%, guys, and it's not a joke, honestly speaking. You can hear it from anyone in the market who's present in the real estate sector. Commercial and residential market has been so up to the trend, guys. I can't even tell you. So it's the best opportunity for you all to invest in the upcoming projects that I'm gonna get for you, for you, and I'm gonna give you the best deals ever that you're gonna get from the entire market. So let's catch up in the video itself and let me take you to the project itself. Let's go, come guys. This is the first toll, guys, for the Dwarka Expressway going towards Gurgaon. And जैसा कि आप सब देख सकते हैं ऑलरेडी कितनी सारी रेजिडेंशियल मार्केट.
ये ऐसा भी लग रहा है यार कि जैसे एम्बियंस मॉल नहीं था पहले, तो वहाँ से रोड थी, इतनी चौड़ी रोड थी.
This is the future Gurgaon. This is the new Gurgaon, guys. This is definitely the new Gurgaon.
I think it has the potential to do better
than Gurgaon.
yeah. देखते हैं क्या होता है.
So we can definitely see so many people like just using this road on a like a everyday basis. We can see, right?
बिल्कुल यार. अभी तो वंडरफुल ऑल्टरनेटिव भी है लोगों के लिए जो गुड़गांव के वैसे जाम में फंस जाते हैं एम्बियंस मॉल के उधर. एम्बियंस मॉल से पहले उनके लिए ऑल्टरनेटिव है. आपको ऑफिस जाना है, फॉर एग्जांपल व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू वर्क सेक्टर 48 में था, तो मैं यहाँ से ऑल्टरनेटिव लेके जाता था. तो वो चीज़ है. एंड इट टुक मी अराउंड 1 hour टू रीच. रोडें खाली, ब्रेक पे पैर नहीं दबाना, कुछ नहीं करना. बाकी आपका यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो गया. M3M कैपिटल आता है सबसे पहले.
So welcome to Gurgaon, guys. We have just entered into Gurgaon. So guys, as you all can see, we have entered in sector 88A. We are heading towards our first project, that is Godrej Oasis. And now, as you all can see, we have so many projects nearby. कितने सारे already projects आप देख सकते हैं, guys, that are already existing on the road itself, and location is super good. It's just 5 minutes away from the Dwarka Expressway connectivity, and just adjacent to the 30-meter road that is connected to the Dwarka Expressway and Gurgaon itself. It's just near the IGI Airport that is just 10 minutes away. So yeah, let's go to the project. And now I'm gonna quickly give you a walkthrough of how the project is gonna look like, how the entry is, how the look and feel of the project is gonna be like. So now you're gonna enter into your future home, I would say, right, Neer?
Yeah, absolutely. मतलब यार मेरे को देख के तो काफी अच्छा लग रहा है.
Yeah, it's looking really premium. The entry is
तो ट्रस्ट फैक्टर रहता है for sure.
Yeah, I mean Godrej means trust, value. So here we are now entering towards our project. This is the entry of the project. Like, let's go. I'll just
Visiting.
So welcome again, guys, to the Property Yatra. Now I'm gonna give you a walk around of the Godrej Oasis. We have a 3 BHK flat. It comprises of a size around 2066 square feet, as you all can see. The place I'm standing is the living dining room, as you all can see. यहाँ पे आप बैठ के अपना खाना खाइए, या फिर अपनी बातचीत करिए, या फिर फैमिली के साथ एक गुड टाइम स्पेंड करिए. This is a perfect place. You can sit and relax and chill, or like have a good house party or something if you want, with an attaching balcony. Let me show you a quick view of the balcony itself. Wait, guys. So guys, as you all can see, I'm in the balcony itself, and let me give you a quick view how it is looking like and how the society is looking like. As you all can see, we have so many towers that are already in here. As you all can see, like people are chilling, people are having fun, and as you all can see, यहाँ पे swimming pool है attached, and yeah, we have a good spatial area. We can see people are having fun, people are chilling in their balconies, people are sitting. Weather is so good, as you can see, the clouds are really nice. I mean, the view is so good. The society is really chill, and आप ये देख सकते हैं कि बच्चे are having fun in here, and it's a good place that you can sit and have a tea with your plus one, or if you want to sit with your family, you can just relax and chill and enjoy the nice weather, I would say. And yeah, I mean, it's a really good balcony, by the way. The view, as you all can see, it's really decent. So let's just move around to the other rooms quick. Let's go, guys. Now I'm gonna show you the kitchen. Let's go. I'm gonna show you the kitchen now, guys. As you all can see, it's a good kitchen. It's a decent kitchen, I would say. And if you want to cook something, here we are. So yeah, it's attached to a balcony. I'll show you the balcony now. Wait. So guys, here's the balcony. We are right now in a balcony that is just attached to the kitchen itself. It's a good, decent balcony, I would say, and giving a walkthrough. So yeah, here's a view, as you all can see from here. It's a good balcony. Let's go to the other rooms. So guys, entering to the first bedroom, I'll show you. This is a huge passage. I'm 5'11", and as all you can see कि यार यहाँ पे कितना spatial है. Like आप कितना space देख सकते हैं already. So now let's just enter in the first bedroom. So this is a bedroom. As all you can see, यहाँ पे एक मंदिर है. यहाँ पे कोई भी आप like if you wanna study, make it a study room, you can. If you wanna make it a party place, you can. I mean, if you want a mandir room sort of thing, तो आप वो भी कर सकते हो. And let's move ahead to the balcony now. I'll show you the balcony view. Come. So as all you can see, the view is amazing, guys. I'm just loving the view, honestly, and it feels like a heaven. Honestly, as you can see, यहाँ पे कितने सारे देखिए आप जैसे कि देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे already कितने सारे club house हैं यहाँ पे. As you can see, people are having fun, kids are playing around, and it's a really lively location, I would say. यहाँ पे you can see how green is the area, how beautiful it's looking. You can just have a coffee or a tea यहाँ पे बैठ के, or something else, whatever you like, whatever you want. I mean, it's such a relaxing place, I would say. Let's just move to the bathroom now. I'll show you the bathroom. Just a sec. Let me just turn on the lights for you. So yeah, here we are. So this is the bathroom. It's a really nice, spacious, wise bathroom, and as you all can see, I'm standing right here in front of you. It's good. So guys, this is the second bedroom. As all you can see, यहाँ पे कितना सारा spaces है, कितना अच्छा spacious bedroom है ये. And on my right side, as you all can see, you can just put in your cupboards, or like आप अपना यहाँ पे wardrobe बना सकते हैं with a good height. It's a really spacious room, as you all can see. And as you all can see, कितना मैं freely walk कर पा रहा हूँ यार. देखो, मतलब I mean, I can walk in and around like so freely, honestly. And with my height and everything, it's so good. It's so breathable. Now I'm going to take you to the balcony itself. Come, join me. मेरे को इस लोकेशन की, इस फ्लैट की सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगती है यहाँ का ओपन स्पेस. यहाँ का like air circulation is so good, as you all can see. मतलब it's such on a good height, and आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, as the name suggests, Godrej Oasis. As you can see, the water reservoir and the water thing. It's a really good spacious community, and बहुत अच्छी लोकेशन है यार. I mean, the balconies, the view from the balcony, and it's right in the heart of Gurgaon itself. So let me take you to the bathroom itself. Let's go. I would say bathroom is somewhat spacious. It's good. It's decent. I mean, I would say it's good. This is the third room I'm gonna make you see. ये देखिए, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यार, आप इस रूम को कुछ भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. As in, if you want it to a kids wala room, it can be a kids wala room. If you want to be your personal study room, it can be that also. So it's like an all-rounder room, I would say. Let me just take you to the balcony now. Just a second. As you can see, it's a good, decent balcony. It's a small balcony. If you want to smoke up, or if you just want to sit down, if you just want to do anything, you can just relax and chill यहाँ से. ये view आपको दिखाई दिया था मैंने कितना अच्छा है, already balcony से आता है. It's a really good place, I would say. So guys, I hope you like my video. And जैसे कि मैंने आपको walk through दिया जिस flat का. So if you want to know any more details, or if you want to invest in this flat, or if you want to live in this flat, if you want to make it your future flat or something, so you can just call me in the description below, and my number is popping on the screen itself. So आप मेरे को वहाँ से call कर सकते हैं, and you can have a walkthrough of the flat itself in real life. Also, I can take you here, I can show you, and yeah, I mean, in case if you want to invest somewhere in Gurgaon or Dwarka Expressway or nearby in Delhi itself, nearby agriculture land, if you want to invest, or else if you want to live in an apartment, or if you want to invest in the heart of Gurgaon itself, you can call me. I mean, I am in the real estate industry. My family is into the real estate industry from the past 20 years, and you can just give us a call and we are gonna make you provide the best seats ever. So yeah, thank you for watching the video and hope you have a nice day.